Hey everyone, want to create professional-looking designs in just a few minutes? Canva templates make the process incredibly simple by giving you ready-made layouts for almost any project. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, flyers, resumes, or YouTube thumbnails, this full guide will show you exactly how to use Canva templates from start to finish. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, you'll have access to Canva's template library and your existing projects. Next, use the search bar to type the kind of design you want to create, such as Instagram post, presentation, flyer, poster, resume, or YouTube thumbnail. Canva will instantly display hundreds of templates that match your search. Click on a template that fits your style or project. Canva will open it inside the editor, where you can begin customizing every part of the design. You aren't limited to the original layout, so feel free to make it your own. Replace the placeholder text with your own content, change the colors and fonts, swap the images, and move elements around if needed. You can also upload your own photos or logos to personalize the design even more. If you'd like to change the layout, open the Elements panel to add icons, shapes, illustrations, charts, or other graphics. You can also remove anything you don't need to keep your design clean and focused. When you're happy with the final design, click Share, then choose Download. Select the file format that works best for your project, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or another available option, and that's how to use Canva templates. With thousands of professionally designed layouts and simple editing tools, you can create high-quality designs for almost any purpose in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.